David Tower, good evening, Gemini 6136 on heading 305, maintain 3100 feet.
Gemini 6136, Roger, runway 12 center, clear to land.
Runway 12 center, clear to land, Gemini 6136.
Gemini 6136, remain at or above 2,600 until you join funnel.
Can you say again for Gemini 6136?
Gemini 6136, remain at or above 2,600 until you join final.
Okay, remain at or above 2,600 until join the final, Gemini 6136.
Gemini 6136, base descent approved at your discretion.
Roger, Gemini 6136. Tower Gemini 6136, go around.
Gemini 6136, Roger, would you like to remain in the VFR traffic pattern with me or go back to Phoenix approach for radar vectors?
Radar vector Gemini 6136.
Gemini 6136, fly runway heading, maintain 4000, contact Phoenix departure on 124.9er. Gemini 6136, again, fly runway heading, maintain 4000, contact Phoenix departure 124.9er.
Okay, runway heading, climb maintain 4000, and 124.9er, Gemini 6136. Thank you, ma'am.
Gemini 6136, Phoenix departure, maintain 4000.
Maintain 4000, heading 123 for Gemini 6136.
Gemini 6136, any reason for go around?
Unstable, sir, Gemini 6136.
Gemini 6136, roger, say intention.
Copy. We 1 radar vector, runway 12 center, Gemini 6136.
Gemini 6136, roger. Turn left heading 340, vectors runway 12 center, climb maintain 5000.
Climb maintain 5000, left turn heading, can you say again the heading?
Gemini 6136, heading 350, 350 on the heading.
Heading 350 for Gemini 6136.
Gemini 6136, turn left heading 220, vectors base.
Left heading 220, Gemini 6136.
Gemini 6136, turn left heading 120, expedite your descent, maintain 4000.
Okay, expedite descent and left turn heading 190, confirm.
Gemini 6136, turn left heading 120, intercept the runway 12, final approach course.
Left turn heading 120 and expedite descent 4000, Gemini 6136.
Gemini 6136, affirmative, maintain 4000, there's VFR traffic off the right, 500 feet below. 737, also off the right, 1000 feet above. Do you have Gateway Airport in sight now, 12 o'clock, 5 miles?
Confirm. We have the airport in sight.
Gemini 6136, cleared visual approach, runway 12 center, contact Gateway Tower 120.6.
120.6, Gemini 6136, good day. Tower, good evening, Gemini 6136, final runway 12 center.
Gemini 6136, runway 12 center, clear to land.
We unable to land. Can you? We request there is some truck mine. We need more truck mine for the Gemini 6136.
Gemini 6136, I can't understand what you need, but runway 12 center, clear for the option.
We need radar vector that wind for runway 12 center, Gemini 6136.
Gemini 6136, understand you're going around and you'd like to go back to Phoenix approach for radar vectors?
Yes, ma'am.
Gemini 6136, fly runway heading, maintain 4000.
Runway heading, maintain 4000, Gemini 6136.
Gemini 6136, contact Phoenix approach on 124.9er.
124.9er, Gemini 6136. Phoenix approach Gemini 6136, go around, heading 123, maintain 4000.
Gemini 6136, Phoenix departure, roger, climb maintain 5000.
Climb maintain 5000, Gemini 6136.
2000. And Gemini 6136, turn left heading 360. This is again for the RNAV, requesting the visual approach, runway 12 center, 360 on the heading. Gemini 6136, turn left heading 320.
Left side heading 320, Gemini 6136.
Gemini 6136, continue to left turn heading 180.
Left heading 180, Gemini 6136.
Gemini 6136, we're going to get you nice and low for a left downwind for 12 center so we don't have this go around again.
Copy, sir.
Gemini 6136, turn left heading 120.
Heading 120, Gemini 6136.
Gemini 6136, descend and maintain 4,000.
4000, Gemini 6136.
Gemini 6136, Phoenix approach. Gemini 6136, Phoenix approach.
Go ahead, sir, Gemini 6136.
Gemini 6136, what are you doing, sir?
Heading 360 now, Gemini 6136.
Gemini 6136, your last signed heading was 120 at 4,000. Turn right heading 120 now, please.
Right turn heading 120, Gemini 6136.
Region 641, Phoenix approach. Roger, reduce speed to 210 knots. Having a little difficulty with an Airbus down here. Currently 210 on the speed. We'll get you going here. Expected midfield left downwind for 12 center. Gemini 6136, turn left turn heading 300.
Left heading 300, Gemini 6136.
Gemini 6136, descend and maintain 3,700, 3,700.
Descend 3,700, Gemini 6136.
Gemini 6136, when you make that turn, the airport's going to be at your 10 o'clock and 4 miles.
We have the computer problem, and we just need to hold at the present position, please. We have a computer problem.
Gemini 6136, you said you have a computer problem and what?
Yeah, we have a computer problem, so we need to either extend downwind or we hold at the present position, Gemini 6136.
Gemini 6136, you can't enter a left downwind from there?
Roger, we are entering heading 300, downwind, Gemini 6136.
Okay, do you have the airport in sight? Can you accept an approach?
Stand by.
Gemini 6136, are you able to accept an approach?
Here we are accept the approach, Gemini 6136.
Okay, Gemini 6136, let me know when you have the field in sight. 10 o'clock and 3 miles.
Looking for the airport now, Gemini 6136.
Okay, Gemini 6136 is going to be off your left-hand side, 10,000-foot runways.
Airport in sight.
Airport inside now, Gemini 6136.
Gemini 6136, cleared visual approach, runway 12 center.
Clear visual approach, runway 12 center, Gemini 6136.
Gemini 6136, contact Gateway Tower 120.6.
1206, Gemini 6136. Good day, sir. Thank you for your help. Tower, good evening, Gemini 6136 on heading 303, maintain 3,100 feet.
Gemini 6136, Gateway Tower, extend down and I'll call your base.
Extend our wind, calling the base, Gemini 6136.
2659, begin base.
Begin base 2659.
Gemini 6136, left base approved, runway 12 center, clear to land.
Left for runway 12 center, clear to land, Gemini 6136.
2740, turn left southeastbound, I will call your next turn to the downwind.
Left turn southeast on your car, next turn to the downwind, 2740.
2740, when able, rejoin the midfield right downwind.
When I would rejoin a midfield right downwind, 2740.
2341, begin base, runway 12 right short and clear to land.
Begin base 12 right short and clear to land, 2341.
Gateway Tower leads at 641, so you had a 6,000 maneuvering for a left downwind, 12 center.
Gemini 6136, begin base, remain 2,600.
Begin turning bay now and descend maintain 2,600, Gemini 6136.
Legion 641, Gateway Tower, maintain 3,100, make left traffic, I'll call your base.
3,100 left traffic, Legion 641.
740, once you join the midfield, right downwind, extend, I will call your base.
Join the midfield right downwind, we'll extend, you'll call our base through 740.
Gemini 6136, begin an immediate left turn inbound to final. Traffic ahead and to your left 2 miles northbound, altitude 2,900, type unknown.
Turning to the final right now, Gemini 6136.
Thank you. Gemini 6136, again, runway 12 center, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 12 center, Gemini 6136. Thank you, ma'am.
Allegiant 641, join about a 4-mile final, spur your base to final. You're following an Airbus on a 4-mile final now, runway 12 center, clear to land number 2.
Clear line number 2, Eastern Side, Allegiant 641.
Gemini 6136, expedite exit, traffic 2-mile final, Airbus, turn right at Papa.
Expedite bucket, right turn Alpha, Gemini 6136.
Gemini 6136, right turn Papa, sir.
Right turn Papa, Gemini 6136.
Allegiant 641, go around, fly straight out. Correction, runway heading, maintain 4,000.
Go around, straight out, Allegiant.
Allegiant 641, do you remain in the VFR traffic pattern or with Phoenix approach radar vectors?
I will stay in the VFR pattern. Left traffic okay?
Allegiant 641, affirmative for left traffic. Just fly straight out for now, maintain 3,100.
3,100 for Allegiant 641.
Gemini 6136, cross runway 30 left approach at Papa, contact ground.
Cross runway 30 left, Papa, and contact ground, Gemini 6136. Mesa, good evening, Gemini 6136. Cross runway 30 left on taxiway Papa.
Gemini 6136, gateway ground, taxi via Alpha to the ramp.
Alpha to the ramp, Gemini 6136.
Gemini 6136 for possible pilot deviation. Advise to contact Phoenix approach and have a number. Advise ready to copy.
Yes, sir.
Gemini 6136 will be Phoenix approach. Phone number is 602-306.
Copy the number, Gemini 6136.